Welcome back. Whew. Well, that was an interesting start to the second half of the season for 2025. One fan's opinion. Let's get into this. Well, as I'm sure you would know, looks like Piastri started in first, Norris started second, Verstappen started third. At the end of the first straight by the first corner, Max just dove right on in, splitting up the two McLarens. Piastri, Verstappen, Norris was the way it pretty much started first lap. By lap 9, Norris started challenging Verstappen. Yes, he did get the position back. Lap 23, it started to lightly drizzle. Hamilton came around a corner. Looks like the wheels touched the paint. That was it. Off into the wall. Race over for Hamilton. And he looked like he was doing pretty good. He was challenging, I believe it was Russell. In lap 27, Carlos Sainz and Liam Lawson. Down the straight, Lawson was in front of Sainz, and Sainz went to the right. Lawson, under braking, went to the right. Sainz went to the inside. Lawson drifted to the outside. You can see here they touch, which destroys a little bit of aero. Hurt them both pretty badly. They both started tumbling down in points. The funny thing is, Sainz was the one that was penalized. He had a 10-second penalty, and he was livid, very livid. Said to his team that he wanted to talk to the stewards after the race. It ruined what was his best thus far race for the season. So I understand him being annoyed. Lawson, again, is a rookie. But at what point do you stop calling him a rookie? You know, it was a rookie mistake. Racing. Lap 32, Leclerc and Antonelli were going back and forth at it. As you can see through this corner, Leclerc was going around the outside of Antonelli. Antonelli ran wide, pushing Leclerc pretty much off the track. The investigation took place, and they said it's very difficult to see if all four tires of Leclerc were off of the road. So Antonelli, dude. I'm pulling for you, but again, another rookie mistake. The two end up colliding. Leclerc's car was written off. Antonelli was penalized, but so was Leclerc. Sorry, that was Russell that Leclerc was fighting with. Later on, Antonelli and Leclerc go at it. So lap 53, Leclerc came in for new tires. Antonelli, the lap previously, had new tires. And, Leclerc was released from the pits, and he was still ahead. But two of them collide, as you can see here, and Leclerc got the worst of it. Antonelli gets a 10-second penalty. 64 and 65, Lando Norris kept on complaining, I smell something. Something's not right. It smells oily. It's a strange smell. He kept on repeating, and the engine let go. So what was potentially, I believe it was a 9-point difference between Piastri and Norris, now is a 34-point difference, just because he didn't finish the race. That's gotta hurt. Oh man, that's gotta hurt. There you can see Norris's vehicle smoking. He said it smelt like fire. It smelt, something's burning. Is everything okay? There's smoke in the cockpit. Engine let go. Poor guy. So when all was said and done, Piastri, Verstappen, and Hajar. Way to go, rookie. Way to go. Oh, Norris, Leclerc, and Hamilton. Well, it was exciting, but it wasn't exciting, if you understand what I'm trying to say. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching One Fan's Opinion. Italy. Next week is Italy. Hamilton was penalized, and I believe it's 5 places back 10 places back, 5 places back, I believe. So wherever he qualifies, he's got to go back 5 places. First time in a Ferrari in Italy, and he's got to start 5 positions back. Well, all we can do is sit back and hang on for the ride. So let's take a look and see what happens. Predictions: Piastri, Verstappen, Norris. Top 3. Hamilton, I'm going to say, is going to fit somewhere in 7th or 8th. Leclerc is probably going to be about 4th or 5th. Let's see, it's all a guess.